Hey guys, and welcome to the video. What's poppin'? And let's get on with it. Today I'm going to be teaching. Get out of here, boy! Alright, sorry for the dog panting for the weird intro, but let's get snappy with this, because I have to do homework, okay? I have to write an essay, I have to do my normal homework, and then I have to read 2 paragraphs of a book, which is like 40 pages. Or like 50, I don't even know. All I know is, we better get cooking quick. So, welcome. I'm going to show you guys how to cook chicken nuggets in your air fryer. So, as you can see, here's the air fryer oven. Yep, it's nice, right? It's really amazing. I really like ours. So, first thing, you want to turn it on like this. You want to turn it to, I don't know if you can see. Of course you can't see that. Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Yeah, you want to turn it to 400. Don't know if you could see that. And then 10 minutes and open it like that. Next, what you want to do is Next, what you want to do is take one of your pans like this. And you just want to take your chicken nuggets and you want to just grab a handful, I would say. So I just got 6 chicken nuggets. Let's bring in a 7th one. Spread them around, but also keep them kind of close. You know what I mean? I'm actually going to eat 9. No, 10. No. Chicken Little? Alright, so I have chicken nuggets. I can't count right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 chicken nuggets. So now what do you want to do? Why the frackin' chicken nugget? Frackin' chicken nugget. Is this wet right here? Alright, so next, you want to open the air fryer, and you want to just slide that baby in. You want to kind of have all of them kind of close to the middle, because that's what it said. So after you have your chicken nuggets in there, see them? Then you want to close the door. And as you can see, it's starting with 10 minutes. That looks like one probably, or probably not. But I'll tell you guys whenever the chicken nuggets are done cooking, and then we can have a taste test. Okay, so my dogs, they ate a little bit. As you can see, they sneak up here, but they ate a little bit. So, and I also added some jalapeno pepper, like poppers right there. So first I'm gonna try the chicken nugget. It's 1 second. Oh boy, these are good. So good. I'd give them a 10 out of 10. Actually, a 9.5. Because they're not dinosaur shaped. But now let's try the jalapeno popper. They're really crispy, they're cheesy, and they're jalapeno. I love them. They're really good. Alright, well, I have to get to my homework, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you start cooking chicken nuggets in your air fryer. My dog really wants this chicken nugget. There we go. And hope you guys enjoy. Bye!